Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we will introduce how to use the Workspace tool. This feature, when used directly, may look like opening a folder, but in practical applications, it is frequently used, and understanding the concepts involved is crucial. In Emily, we have various module functionalities, such as the PDF module, allowing you to extract data from PDFs. There is also the Excel module, enabling you to fill data into Excel. However, in real-world scenarios, we often don't use just one module. Typically, the designed automation skills involve extracting data from PDFs and then filling it into Excel, meaning we use two or more modules. So, how do we make the data extracted from PDF accessible to the Excel module? Simply by placing it in a shared folder across modules, and for Emily, this shared folder is referred to as the Workspace. Next, let's explore scenarios where you would need to open this folder. Begin by opening Emily in training mode. Here you'll first see Reset Workspace, which, when open, means delete all files in the Workspace folder. Once open, press Start. Now, on the left window, you'll find some tools to use. For example, the top left import file essentially means import a file from your computer into the Workspace. Let's try importing a CSV file. After importing, click on the Workspace in the bottom right corner and you'll see the file we just imported. Also, take note of the folder's name. It's called TMP. Next, click on Iterate in the middle at the top. You'll notice you can choose the CSV we imported earlier. However, if we open the TMP folder again, delete the imported CSV, and then go back to click Iterate, you'll find that there are no CSV files available for looping. So the source behind Iterate is essentially the CSV files in the Workspace. If you encounter issues with Iterate, you can check the Workspace to see if there's a missing CSV file. Let's end the training mode and return to the main screen. We have prepared a completed skill, and now let's take a look at the workspace of this skill. Click on the report in the middle, then click Detail, and you will see a folder starting with Repo being opened. This folder is, in fact, the workspace during the official execution of the skill. Therefore, you'll notice that the workspace is different between the training mode and the official execution. Hence, when training a skill, it's crucial to avoid specifying the fixed paths of certain modules to the TMP folder. This could result in being unable to find the files you need when opening the detail to view the workspace after the official execution, causing the skill to fail. The import operation you saw earlier will automatically import to the corresponding workspace based on the environment. In other words, during training, it imports to TMP, and during official execution, it imports to the folder starting with Repo. This way, you don't need special settings due to different environments. All modules interacting with the workspace share the same thing, so it's essential to pay attention to the correctness of folders when training a skill. The folders to check for issues are different when encountering problems during training compared to issues during official execution. You often come across us mentioning environment variables, represented by variables enclosed in two percentage signs like %var%. Essentially, this means accessing the content of a file named var.txt in the workspace. So, if you encounter issues with using environment variables, remember to open the workspace and check whether the specified text file still exists or examine the content of the text file. Workspace also serves another crucial purpose. It stores the result files of the execution. If you find that your skill execution fails, or if it succeeds but the results are not as expected, you can check the workspace. Typically, you will see files with names containing error in addition to the execute file. The top of the execute file also provides information about the failure reasons. You can use these error files to modify your skill or adjust input files for successful skill execution. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.